Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay back with another work from home job lead. If you're new here, this channel is all about searching and sharing the best work from home jobs available so you can focus on living your best, healthiest, happiest life with that work-life balance. Today's job lead is from the huge sporting good company Dick's Sporting Goods. They are in malls and shopping centers across the country. Unfortunately, this is for my United States only, folks, but this is a part-time customer service rep. Best of all, this is weekends only, although it is the night shift. It says 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday and on Sunday. So this position is really great for those of you who have a full-time Monday through Friday job and you're still looking to just pick up some extra part-time work and some extra moolah on the side. They are looking for a customer service representative to assist athletes with situations related to product inquiries, gift cards, and scorecard issues, placing orders, checking on existing order status, or information on how to return things or get replacements. You'll be responsible for delivering first call resolution. You'll research, troubleshoot, and resolve all of the athlete's issues. You'll work with individual stores and internal business partners to provide support to them also, and you'll execute various back-end functions where necessary. Now, they do not require any college degree, only a high school diploma or equivalent, and 1 to 3 years of customer service experience is preferred but not required. What they're really looking for is someone who is customer service oriented, has great written and verbal communication skills, someone who has strong attention to detail, who can problem solve, who is self-motivated, and someone who can type at least 25 words a minute. Now, unfortunately, they do not list the pay for this position. That would have to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, they do state that they have competitive pay, and it says daily pay, payday your way. So this whole page will be linked in the description box below, and you can come to it and click more to see a full list of the benefits that they offer. As always, feel free to leave anything specific you are looking for in the comments below, as I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.